This is to show you how to create a graph, sort data, and hide columns. So first of all, we want to hide some columns. To hide the columns, you click on the first column. So I'm going to click on column B. You press down the Shift button, hold it down, move along to the column you want to get to, which is column F. You take your finger off the Shift button. You then right-click on the mouse and you click on Hide Columns B to F. This means you have the columns that you now need to create the graphs. The next stage will be to highlight the data. So the data we are going to highlight will be countries and medals. But before that, we need to sort. So click on data, click on sort. And when we're doing it like this, we click on sort sheet by column, and it should be column G, which will do it by numbers, and Z to A, that will give the highest number first. Now, we can't do that because we haven't got the numbers. So you just imagine that's been done. Then to get your graph, all you do is the following things. You highlight the areas you want to graph. You click on Insert. You click on Chart. And it will generate a chart. As you can see, there's only one bit of data. You will also then need to, inside the chart, you're going to customize it. The chart titles, you'll type in a title for the chart. And that is the chart done.